Hello friends, welcome to DevOps tutorial, and in this video lecture we are going to learn Docker networking. So Docker networking is basically used to establish the communication between the Docker containers and outside the world via the host machines. So once you install the Docker, it will create a one virtual private network that is called a bridge. This is a default driver is provided by the Docker. When we are creating any new containers, that time if you are not providing any specific network, then the container is created on the bridge network. All the containers on the bridge network or same network can communicate each other without using port. We can create a multiple network, or we can define a multiple rules for single networks. So let's understand the types of network. So there's a three types of network is provided by the Docker. First is bridge, second none, and third is host. So bridge network that we discussed is the default driver is provided by the Docker. If you are not providing any specific network for that container, so the container is created on the bridge network. The next network is a none network. So none network is like if suppose your container requirement is that it's not required any IP address, or is there in this container there is no communication, so we can create a one container in null network. Okay, so once we created the container in null network, there is no IP address assigned to that container. The next network is a host network. So when a container is connected to the host network, it get the all the configuration from the host system. So this is the all types of network is provided by the Docker. Okay, so let's go to the terminal and execute each command one by one. So we are in the terminal now, and let's go by one each command. So the first command is docker network ls. So this command gives the information about the network that is present in my local machine after Docker install. So we can see here we have the three network is present is bridge, host, and none. Okay, so if you want to create your own network, we have command is docker network create, and we have to provide a driver. So the driver is we are using bridge driver and the network name. So once we execute this command, our custom network will be created. So to want to see the custom network, so we have again execute the previous command. So we can see here our network is my network is created and driver is bridge driver. Okay, so next command is inspect command in network section. So docker network inspect. This command will give the information about that network. So we can use network name or network ID. So once we execute this command, we will get the JSON object and very huge data is there. We can see here the container is empty because there is no containers are associated with this network. Okay, so let's clear this one and create a one container. So first go for images. This command give the list of images. So let's create the container of nginx. This command is docker run -d -name, and we have to provide a container name is nginx 011, and we have to provide a image name. So image name is nginx. Okay, so once we execute this command, our container will be created, but we not define any network here. So once this container will created, it will be provided a default network that is bridge network. Okay, so container is created, command is to check the container -a. So we can see here our nginx container is running, and from 5 seconds, let's inspect this container and provide the container ID. So we can see here in the network section, for this container we have the bridge network, and this is the IP address of that container. Okay, so let's clear this out and create one more container, docker run -t -name net. Okay, so our another container is created. Let's go to check. Okay, so two container is created, and that both of two container are pointed to the bridge network. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so check the inspection of that bridge network. So we have command is docker network inspect bridge network. Okay, so once we execute, we can see here there's a two container who is pointing to the bridge network. Okay, so these two containers are attached with this bridge network. So Nginx net and Nginx 11, these are two containers and two different IP address we have. First is 172.17.0.2 and another one is 172.17.0.3. So we can see that there's a two containers with have different IP address. So let's point this two container to our custom network. Okay, sorry. So the command is docker connect docker network. Sorry, first we have to find the containers. Okay, and we have to find the networks. Okay, that's it. Now we have to point these two containers to attach this network. Okay, so for that one we have command is docker network connect. Then we have to provide a network name and container ID or container name. So we can use the container name is okay. So once we execute this command, so we can see in this network my network inspect, we can see that one this container is attached to this network. Okay, so let's check here. So we can see here once we attach this network container to my network, so in that inspect section we can find that container that Nginx net is attached to my custom network. Okay, so let's clear out. We can attach one more container. So we are going to attach the second container to our custom network. So docker connect. Okay, we have to provide a name. Okay, so both network are connected to the my custom network. So let's go to the inspect section. So we can see here Nginx 11 and Nginx net, the both container are attached with my custom network and both have different IP address. Okay, so let's clear this out and inspect. The next command is, so we have done the list of available network, we know how to create the containers, and inspect we already know about that one. Okay, let's another is filter in inspect command. So okay, so if when we are inspect anything, we will get the huge amount of data from in JSON. Okay, so we need only a particular data. For that one we have the filter option in inspect. So let's run this command. Sorry. So we inspect our custom network. So once we execute this command, we will get the lots of information, but we need a particular information. Okay, so for that one we have command is docker network inspect -f single quotes curly braces, and what information you need. So I need the container information only. So I just copy the container object and paste it in between the container curly braces. Okay, and from which container, sorry, which network. So just copy the network ID or network name. Okay, so once we execute this command on my custom network, it will give the list of containers present in my custom network. We can see here it will give the object of all the containers present in my custom network. Okay, so this is the filter command we can use. Okay, so next command is remove the given container network. Okay, so we will check this command later. Now if you want to disconnect from the particular network, okay, so docker ps -a. So we can see here our two containers nginx 11 and nginx net are connected with the bridge network also. So let's disconnect this one from bridge network. Okay, so for that one we have command is docker network disconnect. Let's copy this command. Yeah, correct. Okay, so after this command we have to provide a network name. So network name is bridge. Okay, and the containers that we have to remove from that network, we can use container ID or container name here. So once we execute this command, this container will be disconnected from my bridge network. So let's check. So we can see here before it was showing the two containers, now it's showing only one container is Nginx 11. Let's clear out this. So let's go to the another point, and that is how to communicate between two containers. Okay, so containers are communicating with the help of their name. They are not communicating with the IP address. Okay, so they are using the DNS. DNS means for domain name system. Okay, so let's go for this example. The example is given in my Git repository. So first we have to launch two containers. Okay, then we have to log in one container and install ping command, because by default the ping command is not present in that containers. And the third is we can ping from in one container to another containers. Okay, so let's go for this example. Go to the terminal. Okay, so we already created the two containers. Okay, so let's log in one containers. To log in the container, we have command is docker exec exec minus it, and the container name, sorry, okay. So once we execute this command, we are logging into the containers. Okay, so after that one we have to update this container. So apt get update. So with the help of this command, the container is updated. So next command is install ping. Okay, so ping is installed in my container and exit this. Okay, so clear this out. Okay, so now we are going to ping nginx 11 from nginx net. Okay, so we have command for ping is docker exec -it, and and we have to use a image name this, and just copy this command. Okay, correct, ping to this container. Okay, so once we execute this command, we'll get the response from container 11. Okay, nginx 11. So we can see here we are getting the response from the nginx 11. That means we are getting the connection between two containers. So both containers are present in my custom network. Okay, so let's clear this one. So the last command is how to remove the network. Okay, okay, so I want to remove my custom network. So we have command is docker network. Okay, so something problem in my command. Okay, so we are getting the error because this network contains some containers. Okay, so we have to remove that container from that network. Okay, so we have docker network disconnect from network my network. Okay, so first we have to find out the container name. So I just copy this. Okay, docker ps -a. Okay, so we have to remove these two containers from that my custom network. So docker and provide the container name. So container name is here. So one container is removed from my custom network, and let's remove another one. Okay, so both container are removed from my custom network, so we can easily remove that network. We have command is this one, and we have to provide a network name or network ID. Sorry, the spelling mistake. So the custom network is removed. Let's go for check it is removed or not. Docker network ls. Okay, so this is an example of Docker network. Thank you guys. Please provide your feedback in my comment section, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.